fuso da fuso orario, appunto.
Ecco, ma a Las Vegas hai giocato?
No, perché ho una sfortuna nel gioco incredibile.
Ecco.
Sono andato a vedere un po' di show per avere nuove ispirazioni, anche per preparare le prossime coreografie per la ruota della follia.
Bene, bene. Allora, e che cosa ci gustiamo stasera?
Stasera abbiamo i super campioni della scuola, del gruppo di ballo, e abbiamo preparato un pezzo difficilissimo tratto dal musical Evita e Buenos Aires.
Bellissimo!
Quindi costumi anni 40, ritmo scatenato e soprattutto professionalità, speriamo.
Speriamo, ce lo gustiamo assieme?
Ok, certo, andiamo.
Vamonos! Io vengo anch'io, andiamo.
Honestly, I'm just a little stuck on you. You'll be on me too. I get out here when it's started. Stand back, you ought to know what you're gonna get in me. Just a little touch of star quality. Fill me up with your heat, with your noise, with your dirt, overdo me. Let me dance to your beat, make it loud, let it hurt running through me. Don't hold back, you are certain to impress. Tell the driver this is where I'm staying. Hello, when it's started. Get this, just look at me, just up somewhere to go. We'll put on a show. Take me in at the flood, give me speed, give me light, set me humming. Shoot me up with your blood, warm me up with your nights, watch me coming. All I want is a whole lot of excess. Tell the singer this is where I'm playing. Stand back when it started, because you ought to know what you're gonna get in me. Just a little touch of star quality. But to close you or meet you shall have every breath in my body. Put me down for a lifetime of success. Give me credit, I'll find ways of paying. Rio de la Plata, Florida, Corrientes, want to know. Stand back when it started, because you wanna know what you're gonna get in me. Just a little touch, just a little touch, just a little touch of Stockholm.